Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet on a laptop. Trust Wallet is primarily designed for mobile devices, but you can still access it on your computer. The most common and reliable way involves using an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android phone environment directly on your desktop, allowing you to run mobile apps seamlessly. First, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both offering a stable experience. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer file. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the straightforward instructions to get the emulator set up on your laptop. With your emulator installed, open it up. You'll see an interface similar to an Android phone. Locate and open the Google Play Store within the emulator. Use the search bar to find Trust Wallet and ensure you select the official application. Proceed with the installation just as you would on a regular mobile device. Finally, open Trust Wallet inside the emulator. You can now either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember to securely back up your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Once set up, you can manage your digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and NFTs, conveniently from your laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.